Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a party look. A look that I had pulled off in Bali last year while club hopping with my husband. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to prime my face using Nivea Men Aftershave Lotion and apply it all over my face. I'm going to follow it up with my Kryolan Super Color Concealer and apply it all over my lid using my eye brush. This is gonna be followed up with my NARS foundation, and I'm gonna apply it with the Damn Beauty blender. And I absolutely love my beauty blender. This is by Real Techniques, and this evenly basically buffs the makeup into the skin without leaving any harsh lines. I'm gonna apply it paying more attention to the areas that need more coverage. This is gonna be followed up with my Faces eye primer, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid using my finger. This is gonna keep my makeup from moving around too much. Next up, I'm gonna take my NYX Butt Naked palette and I'm gonna choose a base color. It's a whitish color, and which is gonna act like a base for my eyeshadow, for my eye makeup basically. And I'm going to apply it with a basic eye brush. Next up, I'm going to choose my contour color from the same palette. This is basically used for contouring, but I like using it as an eyeshadow as well. So you can use any dark brown shadow and apply it into the crease and buff it nicely all over the lid. Once this is in place, I'm going to choose a black matte shadow from the same palette. You can choose any black matte shadow and apply it over the lid. Repeat the process on the other eye. Once that's all in place, buff it using a crease brush so that there are no harsh lines on the eyes. Blending is really important, as we all know. I'm gonna follow it up with my Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna choose purple shadow from the palette, and I absolutely love this palette because it offers me such a vibrant variety of colors. I've chosen a purple shadow because I'm gonna use purple glitters on the eyelid. You can choose a color that you can choose the same color that you are going to use in the glitter. And once again, I'm going to blend it all out, all of my lid, so that there are no harsh lines. And now I'm going to, the outer corners of my eyes are going to be touched up just a bit using the same black matte shadow. And the blending starts once again. Next up, I'm going to use my Faces glitter stack in purple. I'm going to take some bit of Faces primer on my makeup brush and dip it into the glitter stack and apply it all over my lid. You might want to be a little more careful so that you don't end up making a lot of glitter fall on your face. Apply it nicely all over the lid. Next up, I'm gonna use my same black matte shadow once again to bring out the color all the more, basically to intensify the color. Now I've chosen a coral color from the same Makeup Revolution palette, And this is just gonna make the whole eye look a little more warm, but you might want to be really clever with it while using this popping shade. Now I'm gonna line my lower waterline with my kohl pencil, and I'm gonna basically give an illusion of a fuller and smudged eye look. So I'm gonna use a deep purple with a glitter, little bit of glitter particles, this shadow from my same NYX Butt Naked palette, and I'm gonna use an angular brush. Next up, I'm gonna clear out whatever excess makeup might have fallen on my face using a damp wet tissue. Now I'm gonna fill out my eyebrows using a dark brown shade, and I like doing this because it gives my face an uplifted look. I like my eyebrows full. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, but you need not worry too much about applying mascara because we are gonna go with falsies anyways. I'm gonna apply fake lashes, and once that's in place, you might want to do a little bit of touch up on the eyelid with your glitter. Once that's set, I'm going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and use it basically as a highlighter. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, right under my cheekbones, and I end up looking like what, a panda? And I'm gonna blend it all out nicely using my foundation brush. Once that's in place, I'm gonna contour my face just a bit using my Real Techniques contour brush to bring out those cheekbones a bit. You might want to just let the brush do the trick for you. Just take just a bit of color on the brush and then go over to on the hollows of the cheeks. I'm also gonna apply the same contour color on my forehead later on, but first I'm gonna buff my makeup with my damp beauty blender just to set it all out. Now I'm using my fan brush by Real Techniques to contour my nose just a bit. You need not worry about using too much makeup because on the dance floor, when you're gonna sweat just a bit, or most of your makeup is gonna go. What's gonna remain is your eye makeup. But to get the impression right for a night out, I really like doing up my face nicely. Even contouring comes easy. Now I'm gonna once again use my contour color and make my forehead look just a bit smaller. I'm gonna apply it on my jawline as well to bring it out. You might want to intensify the hollows of your cheeks just a bit. Once that's in place, I'm going to use my highlighter and apply it right under the brow and to bring out my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow actually. Cupid's bow. I'm gonna set it all out with the makeup brush. When it comes to makeup, little is too much, and that's where blending and buffing comes in place. To color my lips, I've chosen a nude shade by MAC. It's called Yash. Since we've gone heavy on the eyes, lips can just be not so loud. I'm gonna apply Clinique blush on the apples of my cheeks just a bit. Smile, baby, smile. And with this, we're done. Ta-da! If you liked the video as much as I liked doing up the look, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and spread the love. Until next time, bye bye my lovelies.